This is the SpeedyCares Fpv Care Package Box. This is basically a box that's sent around the US where people can put old or unused FPV parts that still work in this box, send it to the next person, and then when you get the box, you can take parts out that you can use, and then you put the same value into the box and send it to the next person. It pretty much runs on the honor system, and the only price that you have to pay to get this is the shipping to the next person. Alright, so I just got this in the mail yesterday and I am pretty eager to open it up and see what's inside. So let's crack it open and see what we got. Stickers and business cards. A whole bunch of props. These look brand new. Ooh. 64 gigabyte memory card. That's pretty nice. This is the kind of memory card that I actually use in my DSLR. This just looks like a little toy drone. Doesn't look like it's FPV at all. But it's a cool little drone. Looks like some motors. Let's see. So we got 3 motors. One of them has a plug on the end. No, they're not even all the same. So it looks like we have 2 Hobby Wing 1106 6000 kV motors, and then a Beta FPV 5000 kV. So a little bag of motors. Got some LED gimbal rings. I actually remember seeing these in Joshua Bardwell's video, and I'm pretty sure that he put these in this box. So that's kind of cool. Looks like we got a frame. This is a Fliant X7. Comes with all the hardware, it looks like. What? That's pretty cool. I've never seen this frame before. That's kind of a cool frame. This could be good for someone that's looking to build like a basher drone or something. It comes with all the motors. That's pretty cool. The motors don't look like they're in bad shape either. Ooh. Skidders. So these just look like something that would go on the bottom of the motor. I actually might take these. So these go on the bottom of the motor, and then there's a little ball bearing right here in the middle so that your drone can skid across the pavement. That's pretty cool. Orca Fusion. Oh, okay. So just plastic covers for the Orca. It's like a frame. 5-inch prototype 5-inch basher. There's some wires in there too, so maybe there's like a capacitor or something. Some 3D printed parts, arms, and it looks like all the parts you'd need to build a 5-inch basher on this. So we got some power boards. I think these are just power distribution boards. We have a 4-in-1 ESC. This is a HGLRC. I'm not sure of the exact amps on it, but it's pretty nice. Nice for a little whoop. FrSky battery voltage sensor. This looks like miscellaneous camera, video transmitter, gear, Uncam, what is this? TX200, so a video transmitter, I'm assuming, unless this box is used for something else. That looks brand new. So a brand new video transmitter. It's like a Nebula Micro, I'm assuming. Yep. And then we got miscellaneous antennas. Lumineer Pagoda, this is nice. And this little stubby antenna. And it looks like a couple different cameras in here. Oh, there's a VTX too. We got a Mach 3 VTX, and then 2 cameras, a little Fox ear, I think this is a Razor Micro or something, and then a Runcam Racer. So a couple analog cameras, a digital camera, and a couple VTXs and antennas. This looks like a little 20 by 20 stack. Not sure of the brand on this one, but you get a little 20 by 20 flight controller, and then a 20 by 20, another 20 by 20 ESC. Assuming that these two go together since they were in the same bag, but maybe not. I'm really not sure. This looks like a Mamba ESC, and then this flight controller I'm really not sure about. Titan 2. Console tuner. So this is an adapter that lets you connect a controller to an Xbox or to a PlayStation or something. And last but not least, looks like a bunch of receivers and antennas. Immortal T, another Immortal T, like an R9 Mini. Alright, so I didn't really take too much from this. There's not too much I need. I am taking one of these R9 Mini receivers just because my Basher doesn't currently have a receiver in it, and I could use one of these. I'm gonna take these things, skidders. I think this will be cool on my Basher. And I'm in the middle of building my buddy a drone, and these props are brand new, and I have used these. I'm pretty sure that they're gate breakers, and they're pretty solid props. So I'm gonna use these on his build instead of ordering new ones. Because these are new. Now the fun part. Now I get to choose what I'm gonna add to it. So I have some of these stickers. This is a logo that I designed for my business, New England Drone Tours. I'm gonna include some of these in here, because why not? All right, so I took some props, so I'm gonna put some props in. These are a whole bunch of just brand new props that I don't use, so throw these in. I got my Hero 10 here, a couple batteries, and I'm pretty sure that there's actually another battery in here. So I can put that in here. Yeah, right. I am gonna include this though. This is just an action camera that I was sent to review that I don't really use ever. I'm sure someone can use this. So I'll put this in here. Got some keychains that I was sent from Beta FPV. I don't really use these, so I'll put those in. I have a whole set of motors, 5 motors. These are perfectly good. Include these. This is a face hugger for a Hero 7 or a Hero 6. I don't use this anymore, so figure someone else can. An iFlight 16x16 VTX. Some ND filters. some XM Plus receivers, and I'll top it off with this receiver strap that I also got from Beta FPV. And I'll also throw a GPS in there too. It's an RDQ Mini 8. Alright, so that's going to do it for this video. I'll leave a link in the description to the SpeedyCares Discord, and that's where you can find instructions on how to sign up for this care package. I'll also leave a link in the description to Speedy Turtle FPV's channel. He's the one that started this care package program and definitely deserves a sub. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and let me know your thoughts on this care package in the comments.